He doesn't like that either, does he?
Boy.
Oh. No.
But you see how I'm not really exciting him? I mean, I'm not doing the predator part.
Yeah. See, what I don't understand is how last night when we brushed him out, you were tugging and pulling in that area, and today he wants to...
See, this is that predator-prey barrier Pat Pirelli's talking about.
Yeah.
You see, you really can't put a title on anything. Most of it is how you perceive it. Pat Pirelli perceives it as being a prey and predator barrier. I see it as communication, which Pat Pirelli does too. He just explains that the prey.
Yeah.
You know, it's like you're just translating stuff, you know. Yeah. Boy, look at that. He showed me. He showed me. He didn't move. I couldn't make him move. That's what we want. He starts licking his lips because he thought he won, but really we're sacking him out. He doesn't even know. I want to be able to smack a ding ding with this thing and have him stand still.
Yeah.